CDI testing. The DC CDI ammeter, batteries to run my hard drive motor, tin can to try to keep, well, the coil and the spark is going on in there, and the scope, 2-channel scope. Alright, let's get this going. We've got a little control now. How exciting. Okay, check this out now. Okay, first of all, amperage. Now, this is slow speed, like idle, slow. And then when we bop it up, you can see how that top trace follows. Anyway, it's doing advance by some kind of delay circuitry. So you could see how that could work for advance. Kind of settles out at the top of that there at the higher speeds. And at the slower speeds, it's going to go more retarded. Yes. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed that.